Welcome to Myrtle's Detox and Wellness Spa. Today we're going to be making coconut butter, our first time making coconut butter. So it's said that coconut butter is actually made from dry coconut, desiccated coconut, coconut flakes, coconut chunks. As long as they're dry, all you have to do is put them in the Vitamix and make them butter. So here is my wild harvested organic unsweetened coconut flakes. I'm going to put them into the Vitamix and grind into a butter. Alright, it said that you need at least 3 cups. I measured this. I opened one, I measured it, and it has in 4 cups. So here's the one I opened, and we are going to put it into our Vitamix. Pour the entire container in there. So that's about 4 cups of the flakes. And I'm going to use the tamper and blend. One of the things with the Vitamix, when you're using the tamper, you have to have enough material in order to plunge down. But even though we started with 4 cups of the flakes, if you notice, it's not into the butter yet, and we still have a lot of we have stuff on the bottom, but the tamper is not quite reaching the bottom of it. I'm going to open another pack and put it in, so at least we can have something to push against the blade. Here we go with our second pack. Hopefully this should be enough this time to get the job done. Okay, there we have it. Finally into a butter. Now it's hot. I'm going to turn the jar so you can see what it looks like in there. Alright, so there is our peanut butter. Get a spatula so I can show you. I guess it's spreadable. It's totally ground. It's almost like peanut butter. So it's finely grounded, but it's not pourable. I thought it would have been pourable. Okay, so there's the consistency. It's pretty hot. So I'm going to give the blender a little break. I'm going to try again, see if it can go anymore, but you definitely can spread this on top of a bread. And I'm making it to make into a fudge. So I'm thinking right now it's pretty good where it is. Okay. So there's my first attempt at coconut butter. I'm going to pour the peanut butter into a dish so you can see exactly how it looks. Okay, so here we go. Seems a little gritty. Like I said, I'm making this so I can make fudge It looks almost a consistency like the fudge is gonna come out of this. When I make the fudge, let's see what happens. Right. So there we have our butter. If you put some agave or some honey or something, and this will be nice and spreadable. I did taste it. It actually tastes okay. So there it goes, actually shining up. Some of it is, you can see the oil coming to the top.